Yeah.
Oh, it's actually rolling.
It has been a chaos today.
What is with my pants?
Yeah.
Let's take it from the top.
Yeah. You are already laughing.
Hi Umang, welcome to Fashion 5 with King. Are you ready?
I've been trying to get ready for the last 1 month. Okay, so we have been trying to shoot this episode for the last more than a month.
Yeah,
And it's, just,
literally.
and it's just not happening. Like even today when we came to this,
Place. Yeah.
they actually told us it's booked for an event and they were about to send us back.
Yeah,
And
literally.
then उनको शायद हमारी शक्लों पे दया आ
I
गई.
know it started pouring, and we had like disappointment on our faces, and I think that is the reason they just let us in today. So the first question is, if you could raid any celebrity's closet for a day, who would that be and why?
I think I would raid Sonam Kapoor's closet.
Yeah.
Because I think she has like the most up-to-date closet.
Amazing. Yeah.
And it's a good combination of high fashion, streetwear, and all of that. So,
Yeah.
I think she's a good mixed bag on it.
She is superb. Like, even I keep looking forward to her looks, what has she worn, where, and all of that. She's amazing.
She's actually good.
Yeah. If you could have your own fashion line, what would that be?
Okay, so if I ever had to have a clothing fashion line, I think it would be very functional. Yeah, my
Yeah.
clothing line has to be functional and it has to be trendy and very stylish, very
Yeah.
chic. And of course, most importantly, very well tailored because
Yeah.
I just cannot do clothes that don't have the right double stitch on it. Okay,
Yeah.
that I have like a major obsession with it. Like I remember walking into Zara stores, H&M stores, and coming back out of it because tops में double stitching or double hems नहीं है.
नहीं होते. Yeah, I'm glad that you are somebody who's observed that because because I'm in this profession and I keep observing. अच्छा इसमें ये problem है, this is not right, this is wrong, and all of that. But I'm so glad that you
I think good tailoring, good structure, good
very
fit,
important,
I think can really elevate your look. So a lot of people don't realize that, but
yeah.
it's really important to be well fitted, well tailored.
Fitted, yeah. So functional clothing,
Well tailored.
well tailored, yeah. What's your go-to outfit or accessory that just instantly boosts your confidence?
So I'm actually not much of an accessories person, to be very honest.
Okay.
I'm usually without any accessories, but I think my shades.
That just completes your look.
Yeah, I think
know?
it just completes your look, and I think if
Yeah.
you want to add that a little bit of oomph or
Yeah.
just that a little bit of attitude, I think shades is your go-to thing. You just, and of course it also keeps your hair in place.
Absolutely.
Push it
I do
upwards.
that. Oh my god.
And you don't have any hair on your face.
Yeah, I do that all the time. Some days when you have like bad hair days, you haven't really washed your hair, or maybe suddenly some meeting comes up and you don't have time to do your hair. I just put my shades on like a hairband, and then
It's
I'm
sorted.
just good to go.
Yeah, you just look good. You instantly look good for some odd reason.
It's some reason. It just uplifts your face, right?
It does.
Completely.
It does. Totally. But of course, you need to have the right shades for your right face.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's very important.
Can you recall any funny or embarrassing fashion mishap from the past? You are already laughing.
Okay, so this was when I was really young.
Okay.
We were shooting for a tourism ad, and I had my pants on, and I was looking really nice and chic, and I was really looking good. But I forgot to zip my pants.
Oh my god, but did anybody notice?
Yes, that's
Oh,
how
they
I
did?
Yeah, one of my co-actors did, and I said, "Come on, I think you zip too."
Oh my god.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, cool. Embarrassing, but I'm a Conan student. Okay,
Yeah.
so I have this horrible habit of wearing shorts even under my pants. Like not
Oh,
just
yeah,
skirts,
yeah,
but even
yeah.
under my pants. Like I will have to have like right now also I have cycling shorts under my pants.
Oh yeah.
I always do that.
That's a great thing to
that's what I
remember.
was saying
Yeah,
there, actually.
yeah.
He really didn't get to see it.
Imagine. If you could bring back any fashion trend from the past, what would that be?
Interesting. There are a lot of things from the past that I would actually like to bring back.
Yeah.
But hats.
Yeah.
Oh,
Those statement hats.
oh, those oversized statement,
Yeah.
beautiful hats. I wish I could wear them on the road and walk about, like those women in the 1960s would do.
Yeah.
Like hats was a staple part of their clothes.
Yeah, and they were so stylish, so statement, and so stunning. Absolutely. All right, Umang, thank you so much. And I would like to give you this badge which says Costume Tale.
Just batch me up.
Oh, yeah, it's a cute dog. Thank you so much, and it was great fun. See you. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we forgot the mic.
Yeah.
And then we couldn't find the restaurant. And then they wanted to throw us out. And then they decided to get back in. And then
Yeah.
I happened to have my extra phone.
Yeah, luckily. But then where there's a will, there's a way. So, just keep going.
True that.